The sun is shining out here again, so it's sanctuary time. And you know what that means? Yep, that's right. Yabba dabba doo. Okay, so time to come out and take advantage of the weather while I can. And what I'm going to do today is a follow-up to getting potatoes ready this year. This is part of the way I'll be growing potatoes in these smart pots. I've got 3 of them from the Wood Prairie Farm in Maine. You know, great family farm. There's a link to this farm in today's description. And what I'm going to try to do is make potato farming on a small scale fun. Okay? So I'm going to try to say that just one more time quickly. Potato farming on a small scale fun. And it could be expanded because I've got 12 seed potatoes for 3 bags like this, 4 seed potatoes to a bag. Today I want to mix up enough for 1 bag just so I can get things started. Not using anything fancier than good old peat moss right here. And right, regular old potting mix. Recipe calls for a 1-to-1 ratio with a third of this bag for right now. So that's what we'll do. You know, I don't know how comedic this will be, but we almost had a Three Stooges incident here with this rake. So, you know, how fun can potato farming be? Well, let's see. I think if you approach it the right way, right tools, right equipment, things get done quicker, easier, and safer. So found a good use of a mask because I'm playing with peat moss. Got glasses here, protect my peepers. Right tool to mix it up with. Doesn't really have, you know, much effort behind it. Let's see what this looks like. So I want to put some peat moss in here. I already got about, that's enough for now. And I probably had about a third of a bag of this. Now, another bag of potting soil. And I'm not doing anything fancy. I've been doing this for a while, so I can eyeball how much I need. Alright, so to me that looks like 50-50, you know. Just going to mix it up here. Now, this thing I have right here is a Gorilla cart. It's the king size version, I guess. The larger version with like holes here where I could put sides on this if I wanted to. Great big tires. Can show those maybe real quick here. You know, nice tires. It's been everywhere and it does a lot of hauling. Doesn't feel like I'll be hauling, you know, as much dirt that's in here. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so you have this nice fine mix. It's all powdery. You know, the wind's not kicking up today, so I really don't need to mask too much, but you see how fine that'll go. You know, you don't need to be breathing that in if you don't have to, so don't make things difficult. But the potting soil's mixed in here nicely. And so I'll start to fill up the bags and then put in the fertilizer. Let's see how far we get here. I've tried potatoes before and haven't had much luck with them. Now the neat thing about this gorilla cart is it acts like a dump truck. And so it brings out the kid in you too, if you like that kind of stuff. So that can be like this. Okay, and I'm filling up the bag there. Okay, a little bit more. So this bag is about half full right now. And I think what I'll do is I'll break it out into 3 bags and then show you what that looks like. And it occurs to me, people might be wondering, you may be wondering, I may be wondering, questioning why the hell am I doing all this in the first place. We really don't eat a whole lot of potatoes. But when you grow their own, when you grow your own, they are delicious. The best ever you will ever have. They are nutritious. You can make them multiply. You can grow them over and over. And you can share. You can teach others. You can learn. You can spread knowledge. You can make potato guns. So, something to think about. All right. Continuing here with filling these things up. Bag number 2. All right, we'll get the dump truck ready. I want to show you how easy this is. Got bag number 3 here, or pot number 3. Just a few scoops. There we go. 3 of these are now ready to go. So there you have it. We got 3 of these. This is what it looks like. Okay. That one, this one over here. Okay. 3 of them. And then what we'll do, take fertilizer, mix it in, and the potatoes are still trying to sprout on their own a little bit. So maybe if I put this down here, let's see. So the potatoes are still trying to sprout on their own a little bit, and that'll take a few more days, so this can sit out here and kind of, you know, start to blend a little bit. I'll just leave it out in the sunny area. And this stuff doesn't seem like much, you know, it actually looks like sand. You won't be able to see that very well, but I'm going to try to do a third, and a third, and that's it. Okay, nothing fancy, best guesstimates, and boom. Supposedly, there we have it. Everything to start de-seed potatoes in a smart pot, and then as the greens would come up through the bag, okay, as the greens would grow up, I would cover it in a similar mixture of potting soil and peat moss, and we'll see how it goes. Then for the other potatoes, okay, big wake-up call here. I need more peat moss, I need more potting soil and in a hurry because I've got also more potatoes to grow on the side. And I guess maybe I need to figure out what to do about fertilizer, if any. I have some fertilizer, and would it be the same as what I just put over there? We'll see. Or what I put in here, too. All right, thanks for watching. That's your potato update for the day. And again, fun potato update. And, try to make it, it's not just a matter of doing things, but anything worthwhile creates more, an initial investment of time and energy. You're seeing it now. And we'll see how things go, but maybe what I'm doing will increase chances of a good and productive harvest, which will equal a higher and better return on investment than any potato that you can buy in the store. Okay? Thanks for watching Prepper 21 channel. Now, you get prepared.